Good evening. Tonight we're going to talk about cognitive load theory. Spector defines cognitive load theory as a model of human cognitive architecture that helps explain and predict the allocation of working memory and the interaction between working memory and long-term memory. Now, since working memory is finite, there are some effects that help determine what information will be allocated to long-term memory. Intrinsic cognitive load is how complex the information is that needs to be learned, and extraneous cognitive load, which is how is the information being presented to the learner, and then germane cognitive load, which is how the information is creating a foundation for newer information to be added onto that to give a deeper level of learning for the student. Now, the students I teach have a ruling of specific learning disability in reading comprehension skills. Now, my kids lack the basic framework, germane cognitive load, to build on. As high school students, when they take the state test, there is a lot of information in those questions that's not relevant. They're trying to throw you off a little bit to see if you have the skill to determine what is relevant and then to answer it. And that is the extraneous cognitive load. Okay, so with me being a special ed teacher, it is my job to teach them how to determine what is relevant. But to do that, I have to break down the necessary information into chunks of information that is on their cognitive level, so that they can learn it and start building that foundation. And that is intrinsic cognitive load. So I hope this helped help you understand cognitive load theory just a little bit better. And I will see you next week.